everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make the best song in Suno AI music. I've already made a video for the app walkthrough, but today I'll be using the web as it has more features and more capabilities. Okay, so first let me show you how to create a song using Suno. So first you need to go to Create tab, and then there is a lyrics if you want your song to be custom, which I highly recommend because the AI doesn't make good songs unless you have lyrics and style the music. Make sure the custom toggle is on. And if you subscribe to the Pro version, that you can have V4, but since I'm not, then V3.5 is already selected. And then here in the lyrics, if your song is not instrumental, then you can provide lyrics in here. As you can see, I included female voices, male voices, different things, which I'll dive into that later. You can also use Write with Suno, which generates lyrics for you, but trust me, it's not that good. As for the style of the music, you can include basically everything here. So from the actual genres, for example, pop, rock, rap, things like that, all the way to the instruments that you use, but also the moods such as emotional, sad, slow, things like that. The persona, on the other hand, I cannot show you unfortunately right now because I haven't subscribed to the Pro, but I've been using it before, but it's not that good. It's just, replicates the song that it uses as a persona. And then title is obvious, which you can, give your song a title. So the first trick is if you want to build a song with the lyrics, and for pauses, you need to use comma or you need to go to the next line. Take this song as an example, although that's the lyrics in Persian. Some of you may not understand it, but it's okay. But I'm just going to show you how it works. As you can see, I used comma in the lyrics. Moving on, the second trick that I wanted to show you is that whatever you write in a bracket in the lyrics, it won't be included in the song. So you can use it as different styles, you can use it as different instruments, or basically anything that you want to include in a song. So for example, such as instrumental break or verse 1, verse 2, chorus, and outro or things like that. What I did specifically is that since I wanted to mix different styles, I included those styles in the brackets, of course. So as you can see, for example, in this case, I had one verse as rap, and then, for example, chorus as pop. So I included rap in the brackets for the verse 3, and then it sings as the rap. دلش جوونه زد بهونه کرد اتاقی که توش بود و فقط یه تخت همدم عشق بازیاشو همه شادیاشو همه دردا و رنجا خالیاشو. Okay, now on to the next one. You can indicate the male or female voices in the bracket within the song. So if you want part of the song to be sung by a male voice, then you can actually do that. Take this as an example. I included deep voices as the first verse, and then for the chorus I used female voices, and this is how the results. باز رسید یه روز سرد واسه مردی که همش درد توی دلش جوون زد به اورنج و خالی تبا ورقای زندگی همش سیاه و تاریک کشیده به چارمیخ دیگه هیچ کدوم از اون. Now this is the chorus. باز یه مرد دستن هاست جلوش یه دست انداز به پشتش غم و درد هاست. You can also indicate instrumental break. And then if I were to show you, it looks like this. So in the style, you can also indicate the instruments that you want to be used in your song. For example, in this case, I used piano, slow, emotional, and drums. And the results are actually include those instruments. It doesn't have to be necessarily the exact style, such as pop, rock, jazz, things like that. You can also include instruments or even moods, for example, sad, emotional, piano, guitar, things like that. I included the link to this song in the description below. Make sure to check it out and let me know what you think about this.
یه مرد دستن هاست جلوش یه دستنداز به پشتش غم و درداست
So that's pretty much it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, let me know down in the comments what songs did you made with Suno, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I see you in the next video.